Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Blue Willow AI for generating images. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. To get everything started, begin by opening your browser, searching for Blue Willow and signing up for an account. When you already complete the steps, you will be able to log into your account in a Discord by clicking join the beta, then clicking the accept invite or continue to Discord option to launch or download the application. After that, in the sidebar located on the left side of your screen, there are options when you can try and test it. To continue, tap /imagine. A prompt will appear, then input any keywords you like based on how you want your image to appear. You can also regenerate your image repeatedly if you want to make adjustments. To download, just click the image, then click Open in Browser, right-click the image, then select Save to download it to your computer. That's it! Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.